Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out RENOGY's Rover series, and their 60 amp MPPT I think is an ideal size MPPT, especially if you're going to be picking up some of their 500 watt or so solar panels. And right now there is a pretty good discount, over $100 off. If you want to get an additional discount, use my promo code AdventureTech. Get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments. Get over to this page to get a good deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So let's take a closer look at the Rover MPPT. This actually comes with the Rover 60 amp MPPT and the RENOGY one with the Bluetooth module. So this is going to have you all set up where you can monitor everything from the DC Home app. So with this MPPT, you get robust charging and it's a serious value. This is a really good deal for 60 amp MPPT. You get efficient MPPT technology. This is compatible with your LFP batteries. You get custom charging parameters and real-time monitor with the DC Home app. You can get precise voltage control in 1.04 nanoseconds. That's pretty crazy. Power Catch MPPT algorithm is going to help you get the most out of your solar panels. 98 conversion efficiency. That is very good. 99% tracking efficiency. You'll get 30% more power harvest compared to normal PWM solar chargers. And 10% more power harvest than other MPPTs. So you get real-time monitoring, get a clear and intuitive view of your solar system performance, enabling smart energy management. Rover's 60 amp charge controller features auto on-off mode, timer mode, manual mode, test mode, always on mode, further maximizing your system flexibility. And you have a 20 amp load output. Not to mention, you can bring dead batteries back to life because some batteries actually need to be reactivated if you've completely discharged them or if they've shut off for any safety reasons. This MPPT can activate dead batteries with small current to get it out of protection mode triggered by the battery's BMS or battery management system. Insulated casing for enhanced safety. High quality installation materials ensure maximum protection against electrical hazard, providing a secure and reliable charging solution. Certified protections. RENOGY takes the time to test their products. The RENOGY Rover 60 amp solar charge controller features 8 electronic protections to actively monitor changes in voltage, current, and load for efficient and safe battery charging. Not only has it been tested, but it's been certified. Stay cool, stay empowered. Made with robust die-cast aluminum, these charge controllers allow heat to flow away from the tubes to ensure maximum charging efficiency and safety of critical components. MPPTs do get warm, especially when you're reaching the highest capacity that they can output. The way this MPPT is designed, it'll help dissipate that heat quickly. And this is a very precise MPPT. You're going to charge with precision. It includes external temperature sensors that helps the Rover 60 amp solar charge controller track the battery's temperature all year round, avoiding undercharging in cold climates down to -40 degrees and overcharging in blazing weather up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Very impressive. So there's always room for expansion with these DIY solar kits. That's why I love them so much. You can get up to 6,400 watts for a 48 volt system. Let me explain exactly how that works. Now this is a 60 amp MPPT. That means that it can charge a battery at 60 amps. Depending on the voltage, if it's a 12 volt system, you won't be able to charge that many watts. But if it's a 48 voltage system, you can charge up to 6,400 watts. Since with higher voltage, you can pump the same amount of amperage and pump more power with higher voltage. That's why a lot of people upgrade their systems to 48 volts. Then you don't have to worry about pumping huge amounts of amps. One of my favorite things about RENOGY products is that they work with the Bluetooth DC Home app, and it's really great, real easy to use, and it's just the right amount of information. Not too much where you're going to be distracted. It's not too little where you're going to need more. It's just a really great balance in my opinion. This package here includes the charger, the user manual, the temperature sensor, and mounting brackets, so you'll be all set to go. Right now, there is a really big discount going on, so take advantage while it lasts. You can use my promo code AdventureTech to get a deal on this, help support my channel at the same time. I'll leave the links in the comments or the description. Get right over this page and get that deal. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get updated on these sales and new deals.